the best country that you can possibly visit in your life is India for an Indian. It is very unfortunate that a large number of Indians every year spend thousands of crores of money on their foreign visit. Tourism means you'll have to go to some so-called beautiful nations in the world. If you can't afford to go to America, England, Australia, Russia, and other beautiful European, American, Australian countries, you go to Singapore and some other places in Asia. My question to an average Indian, my question to an average literate middle class Indian is, have you seen the beautiful places in your own state? Have you seen all the beautiful places in India? I tell you, majority of people who go abroad have not visited all the important places in their own state and in their own country. Then why do they go abroad? After having visited, after having seen all the important, beautiful places in India, if you go abroad and spend money, yes, there is a point, and you can go and I can go. If you have any official work, if you are going, that's fine. But why, my question is, why don't you spend money on domestic tourism? Why do you spend your hard-earned money on international tourism? I am from the state of Karnataka, and I tell you, I have not seen all the most beautiful, fascinating places in the state of Karnataka. Let me first visit my state. Let me understand my own people. Let me know the culture, the language, the rituals that our people practice, speak in my state in the first place, and later on I can visit other places in the country. If you go to Kashmir, northeastern states, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, go to Tamil Nadu, you'll find the tallest, the biggest, most beautiful temples. And Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Kolkata, Odisha, Kerala. No? One lifetime is not enough for an Indian to see all the most beautiful places in the country. So we are not promoting domestic tourism because we have not come out of this Macaulay mindset. And Macaulay has taught us how to hate our own culture, our own religious places, our own historical places, our own history, civilization, and love this Europe and especially the English culture and the English land. England is the only country I have visited in my life. I spent 15 days in England, and every day evening I used to think, I used to feel homesick, and I was wanting to desperately come back to India. And we should know the difference between England. Once upon a time, it was an imperial power. They were our boss, and they were the civilized one. We were barbaric. Oh my God. Now we are our own masters. We are not slaves to anybody. But intellectually, Mentally, psychologically, we are still slaves to the British culture, the British language. For instance, if you go to England, what do you see? From from one end to another end, you will find just one river, Thames. Of course, it's a beautiful river. Just one river. Can you name second most beautiful river in England? But how many rivers do we have in India? Forget Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Narmada, Kaveri, Krishna. There are hundreds of rivers in this country. I am basically from Bijapur district, which is called Vijaypur now, in the state of Karnataka, India. And this Bijapur district, undivided Bijapur, is called the Punjab of Karnataka. 5 rivers flow in the undivided district of Bijapur. One district in one state has 5 rivers, and including Krishna River, the second best river, the second largest respected river in the state of Karnataka, next to Kaveri, and the longest river Narmada, the holiest river Ganga. We have hundreds of rivers in this country, but how have we used our rivers, and how they have used their river? Thames, beautiful, very clean, and we have polluted our rivers. This is our problem. We should learn to love our culture, our places. We should learn to love our rivers, our oceans, our mountains, our hills, our forest. We are not doing it. This is incredible India. Marvelous, incredible. So England, they can just boast of one river. And from one end to another, you find people speaking just one language. That is English. How many languages do you speak in India? We still speak more than 1,800 languages. And what about their food pattern? They eat more or less the same food, the same language, the same food, the same kind of dress, maybe 1 or 2 rivers. I say England is so poor, India is so rich. But the people of England think that they are the richest people in the world, and the people of India think that they are the poorest. So we have to develop a sense of, we should take pride in saying that, yes, we have this. If we do not talk about India, who else will talk about India? If we are not proud of Indian culture, Indian civilization, Indian religion, Indian rivers, oceans, mountains, hills, so many historical monuments, who else in the world would be proud of India? So let us promote domestic tourism. I request all the people in India to draw the attention of their neighbors, fellow Indians, to the best places that they have. And if we promote tourism and India, we need not wait till 2047 to become Viksit Bharat. In a matter of 3 years, 4 years, we can become Viksit Bharat. If I spend money on my domestic tourism. So let us not visit any foreign country for next 10 years unless you have some business, you have some assignment. If we do this, I assure you that India will definitely become the richest country in the world. It's very unfortunate that many Indians do not know the importance and significance of their own nation. Many people are ignorant of their own culture, of their own languages, of their own civilization, tradition. In no language in the world can you find the Vedas or the Upanishads. Ramayana is the longest poem ever written, the Mahabharata, and the Ramayana is the most poetic. We have Kalidasa, Bhobhuti, Bhasha. We have several writers in several Indian languages. Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Odia, Hindi, Gujarati, Rajasthani, Sindhi, so many languages. And we are the only living civilization in the world. What our people practiced during the Indus Valley civilization, we are still practicing. We have an unbroken, we have an unbroken, continuous literary, cultural, religious tradition. And we have very effectively, faced the foreign challenges and the foreign attacks. We have lost something, but we still have a lot with us. Let us not leave any stone unturned to project India at the global level and help India become uh, the most powerful nation in the world in terms of its economic power, military power, in terms of science, technology, medicine, and also in terms of civilizational ethics, values, morality, spiritualism, and metaphysics. Thank you.